How's it going, everyone? It's Alex from Trident Crypto Asset Management, and today we're going to take a look at how to use and navigate our Discord server, which can be thought of as the home base for Trident Crypto Asset Management. You can use this Discord server to find out more information on the firm or how to use Enzyme Finance, as well as just contacting us for general questions. So let's dive on into it. If you follow the invite link in the description, it'll bring you to this verify page. This just helps prevent any bots or spammers from entering our chats and helps to verify that you're a real person. All you're going to want to do is go ahead and click this checkbox down here, and that'll give you access to the server. Once you click that, you'll be granted the member role. This will open up a few different categories on the side that we can either expand or contract depending on what we want to see or not see. First, we'll head down to the invite link channel though. This is where you can go ahead and copy and paste a link to this server and share it with friends or family. Below that, we have the official rules of the server, and you're going to want to make sure to go ahead and read this. We also have a link to the community guidelines posted for Discord so that we make sure that everyone is following those as well. Notice down here how this text right here is highlighted in blue. Anything with a hashtag before it means it is a text that is linked to a channel, and clicking on it will bring you to that channel. We can use this channel to create a support ticket and reach out to any of the Trident staff members with any questions or concerns. Simply hit the create ticket button. That will create a support ticket, which will notify one of the staff members that you're looking to reach out, and we will contact you with further assistance. Going back over to the categories, we can expand the Enzyme Finance category to see more information about Enzyme, which is the platform that we operate on. We have a channel here that goes over some of the basics of Enzyme Finance. This shows exactly how to interact with Enzyme, as well as how assets are controlled with Enzyme. The main point of this post right here is to just show you the self-custody nature of Enzyme Finance, meaning that you always have control of your assets and that vault managers cannot take any of your funds. We simply only have the ability to make and execute trades within the vault, but not actually withdraw the underlying assets. The next channel is the official links channel, and this is where you can find official links for Enzyme Finance, their various social media pages, as well as technical details about the actual protocol, ranging from audits, the official codes, and the official user documents showing you how to use the platform. There's links here that explain the MLN tokenomics, as well as how their governance token works, as well as just a general guide on how to use Enzyme. We recommend checking out these links before depositing or withdrawing into a Enzyme vault, just so that you're familiar with how the platform works beforehand. Below that, we have a channel that automatically populates all the Enzyme Finance and Avant-Garde tweets. Avant-Garde is a subsidiary company of Enzyme, and so we track all of their social media tweets here. You can use it to find out all the latest news when it comes to Enzyme Finance. Finally, we have a channel here for using Enzyme, and this is where all of our videos are posted with tutorials ranging from how to set up and fund your MetaMask wallet, all the way to actually interacting with the Enzyme Finance protocol. You can see here that we also have files that are related to the videos. You can see here we had a download that went with the video, which was a password log for safely and securely storing your seed phrase. We can go ahead and click on the Enzyme Finance category again to collapse it, just to make it clean for us, and open up the Trident Info category. Here we can find a quick About Us post where clicking on the photo will bring up a larger picture of it. We can scroll over to the Meet the Team category, and this is where it has all of our doxed information on our management team. All of our managers are fully transparent and doxed, and you can go ahead and learn more about them here. Below that, we have the current vaults channel, and this just shows which vaults we have active on Enzyme Finance, and you can go ahead and download PDF documents, which are the investor decks. Those basically outline the entire investment strategy and thesis for the vault. The future vault section shows exactly that. It shows vaults that we have upcoming and planned this year, as well as a little bit of information about them. So just something to look forward to in the future. The meeting minutes channel will have all of our official Trident management meetings posted up here, and you can find information on what we discuss on every single meeting. The official links channel will have all the official links for the Trident firm ourselves. You can go ahead and follow us on different social media accounts here or visit our website down below. The roadmap channel will show all of our roadmaps for the upcoming year. You can see here we have our 2022 roadmap posted, and when it comes to the end of the year, this is where we will post our 2023 roadmap at. Down below we have the support channel. As we already discussed, we can create a ticket here to reach out to a Trident staff member for help. The terms and conditions are coming soon, but this is where you'll be able to find all of the terms involved with investing into a Trident fund. Finally, we have the Twitter updates channel, and this is where you can find all the latest tweets from Trident Crypto Asset Management. We can go ahead and collapse this category right here and open up general. This is where we can find the announcements channel, which is where we'll post all important announcements when it comes to Trident Crypto Asset Management. Below that, we have our general chat, and this is where you can go ahead and just chat with members of our community. We have an off-topic chat room for anything that doesn't fit general investment discussion. Below that, we'll find our official Trident news bot, and this just populates all the recent crypto-related news for the day. As we can see here, it's fairly active, posting every around 10 to 15 minutes. Now, we do understand that this can get annoying to some users with all the notifications it posts. If you do not want to see the crypto news, you can go ahead and right-click on the channel and go over to the mute channel, and we'll go down to until I turn it back on. By clicking off of this channel, we can see it's now no longer highlighted, and that means that we just won't be receiving notification pings or updates when things are posted to that channel. Now, because I do enjoy seeing these crypto news updates, I'm gonna hit the unmute channel, and we can see that highlights that channel back again, meaning that we will get updates whenever something is posted here. Real quick, notice the red, green, and yellow sidebars just kind of relates to the sentiment on that post. People can either up or downvote if they like or dislike the post, and that'll help to correlate that sidebar color. Red post obviously being negative sentiment, green post being positive, and yellow being neutral. It's just kind of a cool little feature we've implemented into this news bot. Below this, we have the crypto terminology channel, and this just has basic acronyms and definitions for different crypto related terms that may come up in the chats. And finally, we have a voice call channel for doing video and audio calls. We plan on doing weekly investor meetups, which not only talks about the general market news for the week, but will also be used to update investors on the current Trident trades that we're in, as well as just general Trident news. We can collapse that and open up the final two categories, which are the categories for the vaults themselves. If you're interested in investing in the active management vault, you can go ahead and click on the vault strategy, and this will basically outline what is involved with that active management vault, the investment thesis and approach behind it, as well as just some quick facts about the vault. Now, our vault hasn't launched yet because we are still waiting on the alpha release of the Sulu update. We are still in beta for the next coming week or so, but when we are in the alpha phase and actually able to launch, all of our trades will be posted into this channel right here. Now, obviously you can see all of our trades through the Blockchain Explorer on Polygon or through Enzyme Finance, but this is just another way to easily see what we're up to when it comes to trading. It's the same thing over here with the DeFi Innovation Vault. We have the vault strategy, which basically just outlines the general thesis and investment approach behind the vault. And we also have the recent trade section, which again will cover all of the recent trades that have been placed with that vault. So with that being said, that pretty much wraps up the video on how to use our Discord server. I'm sure as we grow and over the next coming weeks or months, some of this information may slightly change, but the core thesis remains the same. This server can be thought of as our home base. It not only acts as an office place for the Trident staff to meet and discuss our upcoming work, but it also allows us to contact directly to our investors or potential investors and help answer any questions they may have. We hope it also provides some utility with that crypto news bot, which can actually be very useful at staying up to date. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below, or of course you can always reach out to us in the Discord server. That invite link will be down in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.